In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can configure your Office settings. Click your name located top right and go to the Office settings area. Inside the General tab, we just need to make sure that all of your information here is filled in. Now, your Office name is your trading name. Your company name may be a different entity that you'll need to enter in. In the email signature summary, you can enter in a line that will appear in your signature. For example, if we were to enter in here the leading realtors, and we scroll to the screen and save this, we will see this appear in the My Details signature panel underneath your position. So think of it as a tagline. If we go back to the Office and into the General settings, we can now finish off the rest of the fields. Make sure your Office country is selected and you have selected the correct time zone. Your Office address should be loaded from when you created your account. If it's not quite correct, you can click into the fields here and enter these manually. We'll then need you to add your company URL. By hitting the Add URL option, selecting Homepage will be your main company website. Simply copy this from the URL bar and paste it into this particular field. Add your work numbers here by hitting the Add Phone Number and add your work office number against the phone numbers here so that we have an office number for people to ring you on. Before, we looked at setting up your personal social accounts. If we hit the Add Social and we select Facebook, we will now add in the URL for the Locked On Facebook page. We can now see that the Locked On Facebook URL has been added in. To add more social accounts, hit the Add Social option, select the label, and simply paste the URL. Once you have finished adding all of your Office settings, hit the Update General Information for these to be saved.